Dito naman kami sa pier. Sasakay kami sa boat para makapunta kami sa Wat Arun. Pinagmamadali kami. Tumawid lang kami. Nagpunta kami dito sa Wat Arun para magsuot ng Thai costume. So hinahanap namin yung shop. Pinabaybay namin itong Wat Arun. Tuloy pa rin ang paghahanap doon sa shop na kung saan kami magpapalit ng Thai costume. Andito na rin naman, so subukan na nating magsuot ng kanilang traditional Thai clothes. Ito yung mga damit nila. O syempre, susubok din tayo na magsuot nito. Nakatuwa dito mga Grab guys. So tingnan nyo. Very colorful. May orange, may blue. Striking ulitin ko ulit. Ayan, orange. Ayan.
Yeah, nice.
Which one? Oh,
How do you feel?
oh, very nice. It's very beautiful. The entire process. Long time ago, I remember I did it when I was very young before coming to UAE.
Really?
Yes, I remember I was very young at that time. Maybe 2-3 times I did back home.
YouTube? Really?
She has.
I have YouTube, yeah. I will put it on YouTube. So, yeah, we need to...
We do interview with you.
I will take your interview for 1 or 2 minutes after.
I also have YouTube.
Oh, you also have?
Review car. But lazy. Then so lazy.
You think, Sonia? I think that will be too much.
Why not? Do it.
Okay, she said do it. Yeah, put it.
You're here. Might as well just do it.
Put it, that's fine. Oh, yeah, this one is nice.
ปิดได้ปะผมหลวมไหมอ่ะ
Yeah, this one is good. I like this.
อ๋อ
Ah, it's nice.
สองอันเหรอ
I will live here only in Bangkok. I like now Thailand. Now Thailand very nice. Thailand very busy, no? Bangkok is very busy.
She likes Thailand.
Basic Thai. It's a very busy city, you know, Bangkok. Only Bangkok I see. Other part of Thailand, no, not yet. For this trip, only Bangkok. Dalawa kaming nagbihis. Ang bagay kay Sonia ang pink. is me. What's your name?
Nashia.
Nasha, and you?
จอมค่ะ
Oh,
Jom.
okay, you are the owner, right? You own the shop.
Yeah,
Yes,
owner.
Partner, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, sila yung may-ari ng shop. So, interviewin lang natin sila ng konti lang.
Welcome to Thailand, Wat Arun.
So, invite.
This my shop is Thai dress for lens, accessories, and have a makeup, full option, makeup and hair, and photographer, professional photographer. Yeah.
Nagpunta kami dito para mag-change costume. Para makita yung... ayan, ito, nakarating kami dito. Nagpaparenta sila ng Thai costume. Also, you have photographer
Yeah. Photograph.
and makeup artist. They have the full package here. If you like to come here in the shop, you have to look for... What's the name of your shop?
Madam Wat Arun.
Oh, yun daw. Can you say it again? Madam Wat Arun. Okay, hanapin niyo yan guys kung gusto niyo mag costume ng Thai. Para kung nandito kayo sa Thailand, pwede kayong pumunta dito. Hindi naman siya masyadong kamahalan.
Facebook.
You have Facebook.
Yeah, we have Facebook. Facebook.
Okay. Same. What?
มาดามวัด
Madam Wat. Okay. Madam Wat Arun.
Yeah.
Nasa Facebook sila guys. So, yan lang. Gold yung pinili ko kasi para ma-experience ko rin talaga yung traditional Thai clothes nila. So kaya gold ang pinili ko. Guys, we're set to go to the palace. Is it palace or temple? It's a temple. So this is the guy who did my makeup and Sonia. Say hello. What's your name? Your name. Oh, daw yung pangalan niya. Tapos na kami sa pagbibihis. So ngayon pupunta kami sa temple. Doon kami magpi-picture taking. Kumuha rin kami ng photographer kasi may hirap, dalawa kami, hindi namin kakayanin magkuhanan. Ganito talaga yung ganap dito, makikita nyo. Tingnan mga nakabase lahat ng tao. Ganito yung ganap dito guys. Yung mga tourist dito nagpupunta. Tapos magbibihis ng costume. Yung traditional clothes ng Thai. Very uneasy kami dito sa damit nila. Pero andito na eh. Sige na, gawin na rin natin ito. Ito. So, yun si Sonia. Napakainit. Kukuha ng ticket si Sonia. Magbabayad kami ng 200 baht per entry, per person. Nakakatuwa. Mabuti na lang kumuha kami ng photographer namin para talagang makapag-picture kami ng tama. So dito na kami sa loob ng temple sa area ng Wat Arun. So naghahanap kami ng good spot para sa photography. Napakaganda dito. Sobrang init lang guys, talagang magtitiis ka sa init. Akit tayo ng konti. So ito pala yung spot na pupuntahan namin. Pagpunta nyo dito guys, pumasyal kayo dito rin sa Wat Arun. Gusto nyo rin magbihes, pwede naman. Pwede rin damit lang ang rerentahan nyo. Kahit kayo na lang mag-makeup, pwede rin mga damit na lang para mas makatipid. Kumuha kami ng photographer kasi si Sonia, matagal niya nang gustong gawin to. So kaya kumuha kami ng photographer. Eh kasama niya pa ako sa full package na.
要帮你拍照吧？啊，是吧？啊。
One more na mama.
Sawadee ka.
Okay, look at the eye out here now. Yeah, look at me.
One, two, three. Wait na, wait.
Not finished, but go inside, go inside. Okay, 再来一次。
น้องผู้หญิงจะต่อได้หรือยังไง
Look at the camera.
Tapos na yung aming photography dito sa photography session dito sa lugar na ito. Sarado yun. So palabas na kami. So yun lang. At itong araw na ito ay sobrang naging busy. Ang dami naming napuntahan. Nakapagod din. Pero na-enjoy ko naman. At least na-experience namin ito. How was the
Good experience, but very hot.
Very
Be ready for the heat and sweat.